Right, good morning and welcome. I'm Mr. Simons. This day lesson we'll be determining points of intersection and stating whether it's a tangent or secant. Right, now they say find the point of intersection given the following. State whether it's a secant or tangent. So very important, we assume you know when we say point of intersection, it's a place where two graphs meet each other, they touch or cross each other at that point, and therefore they have the same x and y value at that point. So given they gave y plus 2x equal 10, x was plus y squared equal 25. Equation of a circle, equation of a straight line. So as I said, point of intersection where both graphs have the same x and y coordinate. So y, if I take 2 over, comes minus 2x plus 10. And I have x squared plus y squared equal 25. So this y and that y is the same because it's a point of intersection. In the place of y, I substitute minus 2x plus 10 squared equal 25. So if I multiply out, I have x squared, negative 2 times negative 2, positive 4, x times x, x squared. Middle term, very important, don't forget. Minus 2x times 10 gives me minus 20x, times 2 gives me minus 40x. Forget the middle term, technically you lose about 12 marks in exam. That's how many times we test it. 10 times 10 is 100. If I take 25 across the equal sign, becomes negative 25. X squared plus 4x squared gives me 5x squared minus 40x. 100 minus 25 would give me 75. Divide right through by 5. So 5 divided by 5, 1. Negative 40 divided by 5, negative 8. 75 divided by 5 would give me 15. So from there I have x times x, which gives me x squared. Factors of 15 that add up to 8. Minus 3 minus 5 gives me negative 8. But negative 3 times negative 5 gives me positive 15. From there, if I simplify, negative 3 goes across, x equal positive 3, and there x equal positive 5. So I have two x values. I substitute back in any one of the two equations to get the y value. So if I put in the place of x, there 3. 10 minus 6 gives me 4. 5. 10 minus 10 gives me 0. So therefore I have the point 3 and 4 and 5 and 0. So because I have 2 points of intersections, this is referred to as a secant, because it makes contact in more than one place on the graph. Right? I hope you enjoyed the lesson so far. Please like, share, and subscribe. Stay up to date with all the content coming. Right, next problem. Right, again find point of intersection and state whether it's a secant or tangent. I have y plus x equal 4 and x squared plus y squared equal 8. So x squared plus y squared, equation of a circle. There, because I have x to the power 1, equation of a straight line. So again, make y the subject of the formula. So y equal, if I take x over, negative x plus 4 and x squared plus y squared equal 8. This y and that y is the same, so I substitute in place of y, minus x plus 4 all squared equal 8. Gives me x squared, negative times negative, positive, x times x, x squared. Negative x times 4 gives me negative 4x, times 2 gives me negative 8x for my middle term. 4 times 4 would give me 16. If I take 8 across, becomes negative 8. Right, if you simplify, x squared plus x squared, 2x squared, minus 8x, 16 minus 8 would give me positive 8. Divide everything by 2. 2 divided by 2 gives me 1. Negative 8 divided by 2 gives me negative 4. 8 divided by 4 would give me positive 4. Right, factors of 4 that add up to negative 4. Negative 2 times negative 2 gives me positive 4, but negative 2 gives me negative 4. Because the brackets are the same, I only have one answer, x equal 2. And if I substitute in back in the equation, now I have y, negative 2 plus 4, 4 minus 2 would give me 2. So therefore I have the point 2 and 2. Because I only have one point of contact, this is referred to as a tangent. There's only one point of intersection. So hope you follow and understand. Please like, share, and subscribe. Wish you nothing but the best. Bye.